Tehran just sent a message, loud, clear, and aimed straight at its enemies because for the very first time since its direct confrontation with Israel in June, Iran has opened its missile vault to the rest of the world. And the message from Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps couldn't be more dramatic. We are ready, we are armed, and if you strike us again, we will strike harder. Missiles, drones, power on the display. This wasn't just a military show, ladies and gentlemen, it was a declaration. Inside Tehran, foreign journalists were invited, yes, invited to witness something that few outsiders ever see. Row of Iranian-made ballistic missiles lined up like sleeping giants, each one a silent warning to Israel and the United States. Well, there was Khorramshahr, that is Iran's pride, a long-range missile said to travel 2,000 kilometers, easily reaching deep inside enemy territory. Then came Emad, another powerful missile with a range of 1,700 kilometers. Together, they form the backbone of Iran's missile arsenal. Precise, long-reaching, and they are fearlessly dramatic. And it didn't stop there. Drones, air defense radars, and command systems filled the exhibition floor. Basically, a clear signal that Iran isn't just relying on missiles anymore. It's building a full-fledged war machine. Also, the timing, it cannot be a coincidence. This exhibition comes months after Iran's missile strike on Israel, one of the most dangerous moments in the region's modern history. And by letting in foreign media, Iran is doing more than showing weapons, right? It's sending a message. We are not hiding. We are not afraid, and we are ready for round 2. Standing before the media, Brigadier General Ali Balali of IRGC looked straight into the cameras and he said it very plainly. Iran is a prominent power in the missile arsenal. If something happens, we will act further and more effectively. A statement loaded with confidence and threat. It's the kind of line that echoes not just through Tehran but all the way to Washington and Tel Aviv. So basically, the world is asking, is it a display, a warning? Because every missile, every drone, every radar had a story to tell. This wasn't just a military exhibition, it was a psychological warfare on the display.